Hi friends, I am Ankush Kaviraj. I am a student of BSc Nutrition Honours 5th semester under the Bardwan University. Today I will discuss on the topic food and nutrition tips during self-quarantine. We all know that in present situation, outbreak of COVID-19 is worldwide and now it is in pandemic stage. Healthy individuals as well as those showing acute respiratory disease symptoms are being requested to stay at home quarantine. Good nutrition is crucial for health, particularly in time when the immune system might needed to fight back. Firstly, make a plan what we need. Nowadays, multiple cases of over-purchasing have been observed. We should assess what we already have at home and plan our intake. Then we can avoid food wastage and allow others to assess the food what they need. Prioritize fresh food. We should use fresh food products always, and to avoid food wastage we should intake shorter shelf life food, and we may consider freezing any leftover food for another meal. Follow safe food handling practice. Only safe food is healthy food. It is very important to follow good food hygiene practice to avoid food contamination and foodborne disease. The key principles of good food hygiene includes: after purchasing fruits and vegetables, soak them in water for some time with potassium permanganate solution and then rinse them. We should keep our hands, kitchen and utensils clean. Separate raw and cooked food, especially raw meat and fresh food. Cook food thoroughly. Keep your food at safe temperature, either below 5 degrees centigrade or above 60 degrees centigrade, and use safe water and raw materials. Eat fresh and unprocessed food every day. We should consume daily fresh and unprocessed homemade food. Do not overcook vegetables and fruits, as this can lead to loss of important vitamins. Daily eat 2 cups of fruits, 4 serving, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 5 serving, 180 grams of grains and 160 grams of meat or fish 1 to 2 times per week. According to World Health Organization (WHO) guideline, we all know that vitamin C containing fruits like papaya, guava, orange, lemon, strawberry, and vitamin D containing foods like whole milk, mushroom, sea fish, cheese are very much important to build up our immunity. Eat moderate amounts of fats and oil. Consume unsaturated fats like fish, avocado, olive oil, sunflower oil, rather than saturated fat like fatty meat, butter, cheese and ghee. Avoid processed meat because they can high in fat and salt. Avoid industrialized processed food because they contain high fat. During self-quarantine period, WHO recommends consume less than 5 grams of salt daily. So avoid extra salt when cooking. According to expert, sugar intake should be restricted less than 10%, about 12 teaspoons. If you crave for a sweet dish, you can try having fresh fruits. Homemade foods. Homemade food is very much essential, especially in this quarantine period. It is very important to intake homemade food because very essential spices and herbs are used in homemade foods. Thus, these foods are very nutritious and helps to boost our immunity system. Now friends, I will describe you some health benefits of some spices and herbs. Black pepper, golmorich. It contains antioxidant which prevents cancer and also regulate enzymatic reaction, control heart rate and blood pressure. Black cumin, kalo jeera. Black cumin boosts our immune system and it has antimicrobial effects and hypoglycemic impact in our body. Cloves, lobongo. Cloves contain antioxidant, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory in nature and it improves our digestion, oral health and eliminate premature aging. Cardamom, elach. The health benefits of cardamom include the ability to aid digestion, lower blood pressure, increase metabolism, increase frequency and volume of urine. It contains riboflavin, niacin, vitamin C, calcium, manganese and potassium. Fennel seeds, mouri. Fennel has ability to regulate bowel movement, prevent cancer, reduce premature aging through antioxidant activity. It contains calcium, potassium, iron, including many vitamins. Mustard seeds, sorisha. Mustard seeds are packed with organic compounds and volatile oils that can boost our overall health. It is wonderful source of vitamin B complex. It can also reduce triglyceride level and cholesterol level. It prevents cancer, reduce sign of premature aging. Now friends, I will give some example of herbs. Holy basil, tulsi. Tulsi leaf is the one of the most ancient herbs used for medicinal purpose and it has a spiritual property in India. These leaves have been added with tea, honey or warm water for cure colds, cough and respiratory disorder. This leaf has anti-inflammatory property, also effective in kidney stones. It prevents skin infection. It also used in curing dengue and malaria. Turmeric, holud. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial effect. It contains lipopolysaccharide which helps to boost our immune system and reduce serum cholesterol level. It can be used in the treatment of diabetes by helping to moderate insulin level. It lowers the risk of lung and colon cancer. Garlic, rosun. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It is a potent antibacterial antiviral agent. It contains allicin, a colorless agent capable of killing both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. Ginger, ada. Ginger contains gingerol, a substance with powerful medicinal properties. It can treat nausea, vomiting, morning sickness, reduce muscle pain, lower blood sugar level, improve heart disease risk and also treat chronic indigestion, lower cholesterol level and prevent cancer. Stay hydrated. Good hydration is very much important for a healthy life. Drink plenty of water, about 3 to 4 liters per day instead of sugar sweetened beverages. Large amount of strong tea, coffee, soft and energy drinks intake may cause adverse effect on sleeping pattern. Physical activity and meditation. Physical activity is very much essential, especially in this quarantine period, to keep body fitness and increasing self-immunity. Coronavirus mostly affected our lungs, so breathing exercise is mostly needed. Meditation minimum 10 minutes makes mind calm, stressless and give positive energy, which is very much important for the person who is in quarantine. Proper counseling. During self-quarantine period, if any uncomfortable condition may arise, such as temperature rising, breathing problem, etc., of the person, hospitalization is necessary. In some cases, due to long time of quarantine period, person become mentally ill. then it should be necessary to consult with a psychiatrist as soon as possible. Now friends, I will discuss you some general guideline. Frequently used 60 to 70% alcohol based hand sanitizer. Wear mask is very necessary. Gargle is necessary 2 to 3 times on a day. Lukewarm water should be intake in the morning. Physical activity or exercise is necessary. 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight is very much important to boost your vitamin D synthesis. And lastly, if any uncomfortable situation may arise, consult as soon as possible with a doctor. Thanks friend for watching this video till end. Thank you. Stay safe, stay positive.